Hey, welcome back to Crypto Riches. It's your girl Delshot here, and today we're diving into the best strategy for navigating the next massive bull market in crypto. If you're here to grow your wealth and maximize your profits, then this video is what you've been waiting for. So hit that like button, subscribe to stay in the loop, and let's go. All right, let's start with a quick look at where we're at. Bitcoin's been hitting some massive milestones recently, breaking all-time highs and cruising through new price levels. Just last month, Bitcoin was sitting at $53,000, and now it's pushing to 75K, 80K, even touching 90K at times. That's a huge growth in a short amount of time, and it's clear we're full on bull mode, full on. But here's a big question. Is this just the beginning, or is there still more to come? Right now, the crypto market is looking very bullish. A lot of people are cashing in and the excitement is real. But check this out. The total market cap for crypto is sitting just under $3 trillion. That's big, but it's still not quite where we were at the peak in November 2021 when we hit 3 trillion. What does that mean for us? It tells us there is still room to grow. This could just be the beginning of something even bigger. So the big question is, how do we maximize these opportunities while the market is heating up? One of the top questions that I get is, when will the market top? When is it going to peak? And how do I prepare for it? Now listen, I know everyone wants to time the market perfectly, but truth be told, no one can predict the exact peak. If someone says they know, they're probably just guessing. But here's what we do know. Based on past data, crypto tends to follow cycles. If we look at Bitcoin halvings and previous bull market trends, we might see a peak around late 2025, probably in the last quarter. I think November seems to be a sweet spot based on history. But here's the key takeaway. Don't stress about trying to time the market perfectly. The goal is to ride the trend and cash out strategically along the way. It's not about buying at the very bottom and selling at the very top. It's about making moves for long-term success. So how does a typical crypto bull run play out? Historically, Bitcoin is the first to pump. When Bitcoin starts moving, it's like a domino effect. As Bitcoin rises, confidence in the market grows and more investors jump in. That's when the cycle starts gaining momentum. Then the spotlight moves to Ethereum. Ethereum follows Bitcoin's lead, usually performing even better against Bitcoin. This shift brings attention to other large cap coins like Cardano, Solana, and Binance Coin. Finally, once the big players had their run, the smaller altcoins start to pump. This is where people make massive gains, but it's also the riskiest part of the cycle. Understanding these patterns is key to positioning yourself and taking advantage of these cycles. The earlier you get in during the Bitcoin and Ethereum phases, the better your chances to ride that wave as altcoins start pumping. All right, now let's talk about strategy, because this is what makes or breaks you during a bull run. The first rule, risk management. It's tempting to jump into every coin that's trending, but you need to be strategic and disciplined, okay? I always recommend having a balanced portfolio. That means splitting your investments across Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a few large cap altcoins. And yeah, keep a small portion for high risk altcoins that might blow up later in the bull run. Another key strategy, buy in the dip, sell during the rally. This is where most people make money, not by trying to time the top perfectly. When the market dips, that's when you buy in. When it rallies, that's when you take profits. Don't be afraid to lock in your gains during strong rallies. So how do you know when to take profits? This is a critical part of your strategy. Crypto is volatile and there will be swings. Your goal is to sell in the strength of a rally, not to chase every spike. If you're in it for the long haul, especially with Bitcoin or Ethereum, don't stress over the small fluctuations. But if you're into smaller altcoins, especially ones that might pump late in the bull run, set specific exit points. At the end of the day, it's all about managing your risk tolerance. If you're after quick gains, set your exit points and stick to them. But if you're in it for the long game, you can't afford to hold through the ups and downs. What should you be doing right now? It's time to build your long-term strategy. Don't just throw money at the latest altcoin hype, okay? Do your research, invest in projects with strong fundamentals, look for real-world use cases, solid teams, and active communities. These are the projects that are more likely to survive market corrections and rise again in the next cycle. Start with Bitcoin, build a position in Ethereum, and then then diversify into smaller projects that you believe in for the long term. But remember, focus on quality over quantity. Don't spread yourself too thin, and always do your own research. All right, guys, now it's your turn. What's your strategy for the next bull market? Are you focused on Bitcoin, Ethereum, or maybe some altcoins? Drop a comment below, because I'd love to hear your plans. And remember, hit that subscribe button and tap on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our content that will help you make smarter decisions and stay ahead of the game. All right, crypto fam, thanks for watching. And as always, may your wallets be full and your trades be smooth. See you in the next video. Have a good one.